Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's why to play and win this game. So it's mate in 2 basically. So all you have to do is just find checkmate in just 2 moves. If you'd like to pause the video and guess the move on your own, make sure to just pause the video. Okay, welcome back. Here the thing you need to notice before anything else is just this is pinned, and this is going to be pinned on the next move. So all of these pieces are pinned. The 2 pieces here are pinned, so we can give this checkmate and also knight to f7 checkmate, but the rook can take us. So that is the idea you need to see. So with this idea, it's going to be very easy for you. First, let's see what if the rook moves to h4. This has no purpose. Even we can move the rook to h3. It doesn't really matter. So the purpose is actually to keep the pin. So when the pawn moves, it's going to be taken this way, and that would be nearly checkmate. But now the rook will block, and this is not checkmate. Actually, this is checkmate. And the knight to f7 is another checkmate. The bishop is actually pinned. So, but this is actually checkmate in 3, right? So 1, 2, and 3 is 3. That is checkmate in 3. So that is the problem. And even though it looks nice, but that move doesn't work. So here you might sacrifice the rook, but the rook will take the rook, and this is just a check. So we can't do anything. We have to move the king, and this is obviously not checkmate into. So after we move the king, the black will play here. Yes, of course, this is winning, but this is checkmate in many. So that is the problem, and this is not the solution actually. So here the correct move is actually to play king to g1. But here you might ask, what is the point playing here? I mean, this has no points, but it's actually to put black into square. So we are giving the ball back to black, so black has to move in this position, but black has no moves. As I told you earlier, the rook is protecting this crucial square, so none of black pieces can move. But if the rook moves, it leaves this square, one of these squares, undefended, so it will be very easy for us to deliver checkmate. But you might say, here, by keeping the pin, why don't we do that? Yes, now also black can't move the rook, but black will have a chance to move the pawn. So that is the difference, and this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So if you like to see similar chess puzzle videos like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe the channel. So I'll see you in the next time. Bye.